Is your Subaru's infotainment screen stuck on the loading screen? This is a common issue, especially in older models pre-2022. The most common causes are software bugs, outdated firmware, or connectivity problems. Don't worry, you can usually fix this yourself. The first thing to try is a force reboot. Hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the system and often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, make sure your system is up to date. Connect to Wi-Fi or visit a dealer for over-the-air updates. Subaru released updates in 2024 and 2025 that address many of these issues. Regular updates prevent bugs. If a reboot and update don't solve the problem, you may need to perform a factory reset. This restores the system to its default settings, but be aware that it will erase your customizations and require you to repair your devices. You can usually find the factory reset option in the system's settings menu or through diagnostic tools. Keep in mind that while resets are effective, it is preferable to update software regularly to minimize bugs. If you're still experiencing issues after trying these steps, there might be a hardware problem, such as a faulty SD card slot, and you should consult a Subaru dealer.